In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a group admin in your group. But first, you have to be a group admin for you to be able to add others as group admins. For you to be able to add any person as a group admin on your group, just go ahead and tap on the group, and from here you'll see a list of all the members that are in your group. As you can see, I am already an admin, and therefore I can add contact 2 as an admin. To add contact 2 as an admin, what I simply need to do is to long press on the contact and then tap on make group admin. The contact will be added as an admin, and therefore this person will be able to manage the group affairs, change group settings, and even group details with ease. Remember, you have to give a group admin, or you have to add someone as a group admin if you only trust them with information of the group. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.